16. Cool gadgets for your garage that you need now. Does your garage feel stuck in the past? Transform that outdated space into an ultimate high-tech man cave with the latest must-have gadgets to upgrade your favorite hangout zone. From a custom creeper seat for working on cars, in comfort to a smart garage hub for controlling entry from your phone, this Tech Islands list packs next-level conveniences and tools to make your garage the coolest spot for tinkering, chilling, or throwing back a cold one with the crew. Ditch the dated vibes and give your garage the cutting-edge makeover it deserves. ProLift C2036 Z Creeper. Seat, working on your car can be tough on your body. Make things easier with the ProLift Z Creeper seat. This creeper easily converts from a wheeled creeper to a comfortable padded seat, giving you flexibility as you work. It features thick cushions, 360-degree swivel casters, and a retractable pin to switch between modes. With a 300-pound capacity, this creeper allows easy access and movement during any garage project. Telescoping magnetic pickup tool. Set. Have you dropped a screw in a hard-to-reach place? This telescoping magnetic pickup tool set grabs it with ease. The set features 5 different magnetic pickups for versatility, including a flexible wand, retractable tool, and LED flashlight. It comes packed in a convenient Oxford fabric carrying pouch, making it perfect to store in your garage, take on the go, or give as a gift to any handyman or woman. This set tackles frustrating fastener fails and makes retrieving metallic objects a breeze. Vitoreld Dad Gifts for Christmas Equip. Your garage with the ultimate multi-tool. This all-in-one hammer packs 14 stainless steel tools including pliers, screwdrivers, a knife, a bottle opener, and more into one compact, heavy-duty body. It tackles nails, screws, cracked tiles, opened bottles, you name it. With a convenient belt pouch for portability, this gift-worthy gadget will quickly become your garage's MVP for handling household tasks and minor repairs with its sleek versatility. Horisty 102-piece magnetic screwdriver. This 102-piece magnetic screwdriver set equips you with every bit, driver, and accessory you need for assembling, repairing, and building projects. It features swivel cap precision drivers, nut drivers, and standard screwdrivers with magnetic tips and cushioned anti-slip handles for ultimate control and torque. A handy magnetizer, demagnetizer allows you to magnetize tools when needed easily. With a durable plastic rack for organization, this set guarantees precision and convenience for any job. MyChanic Garage Rolling Toolbox Stool. This toolbox stool combo maximizes your garage space while keeping necessary tools within arm's reach. It features a cushioned, height-adjustable seat topped with a deep drawer for storing hand tools, supplies, and more. With a 500-pound weight capacity, integrated handles, and oversized wheels, the steel frame glides smoothly so you can roll your toolkit anywhere the task takes you. The included removable tool caddy keeps additional supplies organized and handy. Chamberlain MyQ Smart Garage. Hub upgrade your garage with smart technology. The Chamberlain MyQ Smart Garage Hub easily connects to existing garage door openers to enable smartphone control. Using the MyQ app, you can open, close, and monitor your garage door from anywhere. It also allows you to securely share access with up to 3 guests, so family and friends can enter the garage even when you're not home. With simple installation, this gadget brings next-level convenience to your garage's access. The Chamberlain MyQ Smart Garage Hub and the other gadgets on this list aim to make your garage smarter, safer, and more functional. GoNat Universal Garage Door Opener. Remote. Tired of hunting around for lost garage clickers? The GoNat Universal Garage Door Opener Remote comes in a convenient 2-pack so you can keep an extra in each car. These remotes are compatible with most LiftMaster, Chamberlain, and Craftsman garage door openers made since 1997. With a visor clip and buttons to control up to 3 doors, accessing your garage on the go is simple. LED indicators let you know when signals are sent, and an easy programming process means these affordable clickers will have your garage accessible at the push of a button. eCairo Smart Garage Door Opener. The eCairo Smart Garage Door Opener upgrades your garage with next-level convenience. It works with up to 3 garage doors through a Wi-Fi hub that connects to existing openers. You can control your garage doors from anywhere through the mobile app, or even just using your voice with Alexa, Google Home, or Siri. With unlimited access and no monthly fees, this smart hub brings future tech functionality to older garages. It also sends notifications when garage doors are opened or closed, giving you extra security and peace of mind. 2. LiftMaster Chamberlain Garage Door Opener, Remote, Keychains. Never be without access to your garage again by keeping a spare clicker keychain on hand. This 2-pack of mini remotes is compatible with LiftMaster, Chamberlain, and Craftsman garage door openers using 315 MHz, 390 MHz, or Security Plus 2.0 rolling code technology. A secure cover protects against accidental button presses, and a built-in LED confirms when signals are sent. These clones may be small, but they pack reliable functionality perfect for attaching to key rings, backpacks, and more for easy garage access. Car Jack Kit with Scissor Jack. Be prepared for flat tires or emergency lifting needs with this versatile scissor jack kit made for cars, SUVs, and other vehicles. The jack lifts up to 1,600 pounds safely and efficiently to a maximum height of over 17 inches. A specialized ratcheting system provides smooth operation that requires 90% less effort than traditional car jacks. The kit also includes an adjustable lug wrench that fits most wheel nuts. With heavy-duty steel construction, this compact jack has the strength and portability to tackle tire changes anywhere. Fazmov Scissor Jack. Another portable scissor jack option, this Fazmov model provides a budget-friendly way to be ready for flat tires, oil changes, and other roadside lifting needs. Weighing under 2 pounds, its steel frame, wide base plate, and reinforced screw top offer durability with a 1.5-ton, 3,307-pound weight capacity. This jack folds down for compact storage and extends up to 13.8 inches high to keep you off the ground while changing tires. Affordable reliability makes this manual jack nice to have for any vehicle owner. Stand Tall Electric Car Jack 3. Forget cranking manual jacks. Upgrade to the convenience of this electric car jack instead. With the touch of a button, this jack can safely lift vehicles to 3 tons in under 2 minutes up to a height of 16.5 inches. It stops automatically once it reaches maximum capacity or height for safety. A manual release allows fluid lowering. Dual power options run off a car's 12V outlet or battery, and an LED light illuminates nighttime tire changes. The electric operation handles sedans, SUVs, and more with minimal physical effort. Store Your Board Tool Storage Rack. Maximize vertical space while organizing garden tools and more with the Store Your Board storage rack. Customizable to fit your needs, this wall-mounted rack features 6 movable holders for rakes, shovels, brooms, and other long-handled tools. Its steel construction supports up to 300 pounds, while convenient side hooks allow easy access to coiled hoses and extension cords. Getting your garage clutter off the floor and onto this heavy-duty rack creates organized storage that looks great too. Aurelio Tech Magnetic Garage Door. Screen let fresh air into your garage while keeping bugs and debris out with this fiberglass magnetic screen curtain. Custom fit for garage doors up to 9x7 feet, powerful built-in magnets allow the screen to easily glide along door tracks as you open and close it. Lower magnets and gravity sticks keep the screen taut and quickly sliding back into place after entering or exiting the garage. Durable construction stands up to wind, pets, and regular use. Installation takes only minutes for a breezy barrier perfect for garage gatherings. Chamberlain MyQ Smart Garage Hub. Already highlighted earlier in this list, the Chamberlain MyQ Smart Garage Hub deserves another mention for its unmatched convenience. Turning almost any existing garage door opener into a smart-controlled system, this Wi-Fi-enabled hub allows app and voice control of your garage access from anywhere. With unmatched range and reliability from a top brand, this gadget upgrades homes both new and old with next-level entry convenience and security. GoNat Universal Garage Door Opener Remote. Also making a second appearance, the GoNat remote controls garage access from your visor, pocket, or purse With this 2-pack of universal clickers compatible with top brands like LiftMaster, Chamberlain, and Craftsman. Erasing the headache of lost or broken remotes with an affordable backup. These cloned controls copy factory remotes while packing helpful extras like visor clips, LED transmit indicators, and easy programming. Reliable rolling code security comes in a convenient, compact remote, ready to attach, carry, or store anywhere. With smart technology like the MyQ automatic hub and clutter-clearing storage racks from Store Your Board, it's easier than ever to upgrade your garage. This list of must-have gadgets takes your garage from outdated to tricked out with tools and accessories that add convenience, organization, and fun to your favorite workspace or man cave hangout spot. With creative solutions like wheeled creeper seats, electric car jacks, and magnetic screen doors, you can build a garage that fully equips your needs while staying on trend with the latest innovations. Use this curated list to create your ultimate customized garage experience.